Greetings, traders. To locate and use the custom indicators in TopstepX, click on Indicators at the top of the chart. Search for TopstepX. Click on the name of the indicator you wish to add to your chart. Click on the star to add it to your favorites, which will bring it to the top of the list. The TopstepX T3 indicator is a 6-stage moving average that adds a volume factor to create a faster response time. To customize, mouse over the indicator name and click on the settings icon. Under the inputs section, the length specifies the number of previous candles to run through the 6 exponential smoothing stages. The volume factor, higher levels increase the smoothing, whereas lower values make it respond more like an exponential moving average. Try using the golden ratio of 0.618. Be sure to add the leading zero before the decimal point. Under the Styles section, choose the line color, the line style, and the line type.